Is there any way to advertise on YouTube without spending a lot of money? Well, the answer is yes. This is where my latest offer, 2 cents tube clicks, comes in. With 2 cents tube clicks, I'm going to show you how you can drive unlimited targeted traffic to your site at 2 cents per click. Now, here are just a few things you'll learn inside this fantastic video training. Learn what 2 cents tube clicks is and its purpose. Know how to create your first campaign and how you can link your YouTube channel to your AdWords account. Discover how to set up targeting groups and how to use negative targets. Know what the types of video formats are and how to use call to action overlay. And much, much more. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. You have nothing to lose through our bulletproof, no risk, no nonsense, win-win 100% money back guarantee. So scroll down this page below to discover how to drive unlimited targeted traffic to your site and use the YouTube advertising platform work for your business starting today.